Hi everyone, in this video, I want to introduce a strategy to you that had a 92% win rate in the last backtest I took. An extremely simple, smart, and accurate strategy that 9 out of 10 of your trades will be closed with a profit. I teach you how to use this strategy without any prior knowledge. If you want to learn 0 to 100 of this strategy, watch this video to the end. If you are ready, let's go. If you want to get the most out of this strategy, you should use highly traded symbols such as BTC/USDT or Euro to US dollar. We can use a 1 to 5 minutes time frame. I suggest 5 minutes. From the indicators section, we add a parabolic SAR indicator to the chart. We also add a simple moving average to the chart. Set a moving average number to 50 and adjust its appearance, color, and thickness so that it can be seen more clearly on the chart. I do not change the parabolic SAR indicator numbers, I just change the color and thickness to my desired color that can be seen more clearly on the chart. But, how should we trade? We only trade in the direction of the trend. We use moving average 50 to detect the direction of the trend. If the price is above the moving average, we say it is an uptrend, and if the price is below the moving average, we say it is a downtrend. So here, because the price is below MA50, we are looking for a sell position. Parabolic SAR tells us when to trade. For the sell position, when the orange SAR dots come from below the price to above the price, that is, we see the first SAR dot above the price, we open a sell trade. We put the stop loss above the previous peak and the take profit with a ratio of 1.5 times the stop loss. Let's see another sales trade. Subscribe to the channel if you want to learn about other strategies. That's how easy the trade closes with take profit. But, when do we open a long trade? Here, because the price is above MA50, we are looking for a buy position. Parabolic SAR tells us when to trade. For the buy position, when the orange SAR dots come from above the price to below the price, that is, we see the first SAR dot below the price, we open a buy trade. We put the stop loss below the previous trough and the take profit with a ratio of 1.5 times the stop loss. A few minutes later, we have a new trading position again, which will be closed with a profit. This strategy gives you many opportunities with a high probability of success. If you like this strategy, like the video to support us. Thank you for watching this video. I am waiting for you in the next video.